Get yourself together. I know you need someone to tell you some of the times to get yourself together. When it comes to your credit, when it comes to your debt, you need to get yourself together. You need to put together a plan of action. You need to put together a plan of action to get the job done. Stop looking at all of the outside things and taking in what the economy is doing and the job market and the stock market and all of that. That's all external. It's time for you to start believing in yourself. There's people who prosper in good and bad times. You want me to tell you, here, this is what the difference is between a person who prospers in good and bad times, is that no matter what is going on the outside, they know and they control what they're going through on the inside. It's time for you to take full control of your life, and that means taking full control of your credit and getting out of debt and making yourself a better person.